Hello. Hello, I am Diana from Serenity Studio Art, and I am the ambassador for Chalkola. They recently sent me their acrylic painting set, 32 acrylic paint set, and asked me to review it and see how I like it. So today I'm doing an unboxing, and in a future video I will be testing out this product. So as you can see, it's the company is Chalkola, 32 acrylic paint set, and they come in 22 milliliter tubes. Nice box. In 22 milliliter tubes, they're good for like beginners and maybe intermediate, but I would think professional artists would go through this too fast, and I think that they probably offer bigger sizes, but I'm not quite sure. I'm new to their company. So it's very nice. It comes with this palette, mixing palette. It comes with brushes. Let's see, a set of about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 7 brushes, flats and angles, I think. Let's see, I don't know if there's any, I don't think there's angles in there. Flats and detail brushes. Any rounds? Oh, a filbert. Oh, a fan brush, flat. Some detail brushes, some small flat brushes. I will probably use some of these brushes, but not all of them. And a sponge. So it comes in 2 layers. That's kind of nice, and it is 32 colors, and actually 22 milliliters doesn't look too small for me. I actually, when I paint small and medium-sized paintings, I really don't use a huge amount of paint. It's only if you paint big paintings that you're going to probably use a lot. So I would say this is good for novice, intermediate, and professionals. This is not a bad size, and they all keep the colors together, like all the pinks, all the reds. Oh, let's see, neutrals, all the blues, the greens. Oh, also a palette knife. Oh, it's a metal palette knife with a wooden handle. And I'll show you the bottom layer. So it has a bottom layer in here. And the top layer, that's 32. 32 is a pretty good number for a variety of colors for a paint set. So that's what it comes with. And if you watch till the end, I have a code word that I'd like you to either put the emoji in the comment, any comment that you have, of a frog's head. And if you can't find the frog's head emoji, just write the word frog. So that will let me know. I give special attention, and give special attention to people that watch the whole video to the end. And don't forget to watch right up, I don't know if it's right here or here, there's going to be a card. A little card's going to slide out. And watch that suggested video. I think you're going to like it. It's about painting. Since you came here to look at paint, it'll be one of my tutorial or demo acrylic paint videos. I have a whole playlist on acrylic paint tutorials. And also in the end screen, when you watch this video all the way to the end screens will show up that you can just click on them, and they take you right to the video. So either click on the end screens to take you to my next video, another video on my channel. I'd love for you to watch another video on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.